Every year, more than half of lion cubs born in the wild never reach adulthood. Not because they are weak, but because nature allows no mercy. In the wild, survival is not guaranteed by strength alone. It is earned through pain, sacrifice, and relentless struggle. Today, we dive deep into nature's fiercest fights, not just to witness violence, but to uncover the emotional lessons hidden within these brutal battles for survival. Join me as we step into the raw, untamed heart of the wild, a place where every sunrise is a question and every sunset is a victory. This is not a world of comfort or second chances. Here, life exists on a razor's edge, balanced between hunger and hope, fear and courage. In this world, nature's fiercest fights are not acts of cruelty. They are lessons, silent, powerful lessons written in blood, dust, and determination. On the vast African savanna, the morning sun rises slowly, painting the land in shades of gold. At first glance, it looks peaceful. The grass sways gently in the wind. Birds circle the sky. But beneath this calm surface lies constant tension. Every animal you see is fighting a battle you cannot see, a battle against hunger, exhaustion, rivals, and time itself. A lioness moves quietly through the tall grass. Her body is lean, her muscles tight with purpose. She has not eaten in days. Somewhere behind her, cubs wait, small, fragile lives depending entirely on her success. This hunt is not about pride or dominance. It is about responsibility. It is about survival. In nature, every fight begins with a problem. Food is limited. Territory is contested. Weakness invites death. Unlike the human world, where comfort can hide reality, the wild exposes truth immediately. If you fail today, there may not be a tomorrow. As the lioness inches closer to her prey, a herd of buffalo stands together in a tight formation. Massive, powerful, united. Each buffalo knows the danger. Alone, they are vulnerable. Together, they are formidable. This is nature's first lesson. Strength grows when individuals stand united. The lioness charges. Dust explodes into the air. The ground shakes as thousands of pounds of muscle collide. This is not a clean fight. It is chaos. Horns slash through the air. The lioness targets the weak, the slow, the injured. Not out of cruelty, but out of instinct. Nature does not reward hesitation. She lunges, but the herd reacts instantly. Buffalo rush toward her instead of fleeing. One wrong move, and she could be crushed. In that moment, the hunter becomes the hunted. Fear flashes through her eyes. Courage does not mean absence of fear. It means acting despite it. She retreats for now. This moment teaches us something deeply human. Not every battle is meant to be won immediately. Sometimes survival means knowing when to step back, regroup, and wait for the right moment. As the sun climbs higher, the savanna reveals another struggle. In the distance, a group of hyenas approaches. They are smaller than lions, weaker individually, but they understand numbers. Their laughter echoes across the land, a sound both mocking and menacing. Hyenas do not rely on brute force. They rely on coordination, patience, and persistence. A lion rests near a fresh kill. He is powerful, dominant, confident. But confidence can be dangerous. The hyenas circle slowly, testing boundaries, pushing closer with every step. One hyena is easy to ignore. 10 are impossible to overlook. The lion roars, a warning. The sound shakes the air. For a moment, the hyenas hesitate. Then they advance again. This is not just a physical fight. It is psychological warfare. The hyenas know something important. Even the strongest can be overwhelmed if isolated. The lion charges, scattering them briefly. But they return, again and again. Hours pass. The lion grows tired. Hunger turns into exhaustion. Eventually, the balance shifts. Not because the lion was weak, but because endurance matters as much as strength. Here lies another lesson. Success is not always about being the strongest. Often, it belongs to those who can endure the longest. As night falls, the ocean tells its own story of survival. Beneath the waves, a great white shark moves silently through the dark water, perfectly designed for the hunt. Every movement is efficient, every sense sharpened. Suddenly, a school of fish explodes in all directions. Panic spreads instantly, but one fish breaks formation, swimming slightly slower than the rest. That single mistake seals its fate. The shark strikes. In nature, there is no room for distraction, no space for hesitation. Focus is survival. Yet even here, not every hunt ends in victory. Sometimes the prey escapes. Sometimes the predator fails. And failure in the wild is unforgiving. A missed opportunity can mean starvation. Back on land, a different kind of battle unfolds, not between predator and prey, but between rivals of the same species. Two male deer face each other in a clearing. Their antlers lock with a deafening crack. This fight is not about food. It is about the right to mate, the right to pass on their genes, the right to exist beyond their own lifetime. They push, strain, muscles trembling. Pain surges through their bodies, but neither backs down. Eventually, one slips. The other stands victorious. But victory comes at a cost. Broken antlers, exhaustion, vulnerability. Nature teaches us here that every victory demands sacrifice. There are no rewards without risks. Perhaps the most emotional battles in nature are those fought by mothers. A cheetah mother runs at full speed, chasing prey while her cubs hide nearby. Cheetahs are fast, but fragile. One injury can mean death. Still, she runs, because behind her, small lives depend on her courage. She catches nothing. Again and again, her body weakens. Her breaths grow heavier. But she does not give up, because giving up is not an option. In that moment, she embodies one of nature's most powerful lessons. Love is the strongest survival instinct of all. Then, finally, success. A clean catch. Food for her cubs. Life continues. As viewers, we often see nature as cruel. But cruelty implies choice. Nature has no such luxury. Every fight, every kill, every loss is part of a delicate balance that keeps life moving forward. When predators hunt, they prevent overpopulation. When prey escapes, they strengthen the species. When the weak fall, the strong adapt. It is not heartless, it is necessary. And within this harsh reality lies deep emotional truth. Nature teaches us resilience. When an animal loses a fight, it does not mourn endlessly. It adapts. It moves on. It tries again. Failure is not an identity. It is a moment. Nature teaches us awareness. The animals that survive are not always the strongest, but the most alert. The ones who sense danger early. The ones who learn from experience. Nature teaches us humility. Even apex predators fall. Even kings lose their crowns. No power is permanent. Survival requires respect for balance. And nature teaches us connection. Every creature's survival affects another. The fall of one species ripples across the ecosystem. Life is not isolated. It is interconnected. As the sun sets over the savanna once more, the land quiets. The fights of the day leave scars, some visible, some hidden. Yet tomorrow, the cycle begins again. Hunger will return. Rivals will rise. Battles will be fought. Not for glory, not for entertainment, but for life itself. When we watch nature's fiercest fights, we are not just observing animals. We are seeing reflections of ourselves. Our struggles, our fears, our resilience. Like them, we face limited resources, competition, uncertainty, pain, loss. And like them, we survive not by avoiding struggle, but by learning from it that nature's fiercest fights are not about violence. They are about survival, balance, and resilience. By watching these battles, we learn that strength, unity, patience, and adaptability are the true keys to life. Every struggle carries a lesson, if we are willing to see it. Which animal battle moved you the most? Have you ever witnessed a moment in nature that changed how you see life? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to watch our next video as we continue exploring the powerful lessons hidden within the wild.